Hello, Carvers Bay Middle families. I want to take this time to welcome each of you back to the start of the 2020-21 school year. This year promises many endeavors, making it very exciting. We have created a schedule for both virtual and hybrid students, and we stand ready when and if we get the call to move back to Prime. I, along with the staff, can't wait to see students, but understand that we must wait a little longer for everyone's safety, as this is the most important thing right now. Remember, everyone must do their part. We are requiring the wearing of masks in the building by students and staff, as we know the mask prevents COVID infections. I want you to know that we are taking measures to ensure the safety of CBM students and staff with proper PPE equipment, signage, and social distancing measures built into our school day. Our schedule has a staggered release that will ensure that students are not in close contact with each other. As we move forward, I want to thank you for your continued support and ask for your help in the communication piece this school year. Each of you provided us with a working email when you registered your child. I cannot express to you the importance of daily check-ins, as this is how we will communicate with you concerning academic progress. Along with email, we will continue to post pertinent information on Facebook and our school website, so please take advantage of this resource. Attendance, as you know, is very important. Students must log in or complete assignments daily in order to be counted. Teachers will be posting recorded lessons for students to view when working at home. I again thank you for your continued support and prayers on the start of a successful school year. Please know that I, along with the CBM staff, are here for you. Do not hesitate to pick up the phone and call or email. To each of you, be safe and God bless, and we will see you very soon.